All right, guys. Next thing we're gonna be shooting is Thompson Center Encore. One of my favorite hunting guns. 300 Win Mag round, 150 grain. Give it a shot, see how it does. All right, guys, we did the 5.56, we did the 7.62, and then we jumped up to the big boy 300 Win Mag. It's a big round, not gonna lie. You know, we weren't sure how it would do, but it did just fine. Take a look here. Penetrated the 3/16 50-86 hole side, no surprise. Went through our flotation foam here. Stopped by our ballistic backer. 300 Win Mag's a big round. Not so sure you'd be seeing that in a combat scenario, but we'll want to make sure you had the protection just in case.